In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility Features. Now tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions to use it. If you are using gesture navigation, slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using 3 keys navigation, just slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on this dark area. To use tiny screen on the other side, just swipe in an opposite direction. Like that. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!